To sign up for EveryDollar zero-based budgeting, start by going to the EveryDollar website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to create an account by providing your email address and choosing a password. Once you have created your account, you will be taken to the EveryDollar dashboard where you can start setting up your budget. The first step is to add your income, which can include your salary, investments, or any other sources of income. Next, you will need to add your expenses, which can be categorized into different groups such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. EveryDollar provides a list of pre-built categories to make it easier to get started. The key concept of zero-based budgeting is to assign every dollar of your income to a specific category, ensuring that your income minus your expenses equals zero. This approach helps you track your spending and make conscious financial decisions. As you add your expenses, you will need to allocate a specific amount to each category. For example, if you have a category for groceries, you will need to allocate a certain amount of money to that category based on your average monthly spending. EveryDollar also allows you to set financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. You can create a goal and allocate a specific amount of money towards it each month. To get the most out of EveryDollar, it is essential to regularly review and update your budget to reflect any changes in your income or expenses. This will help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and using the zero-based budgeting approach, you can take control of your finances and make informed decisions about how to allocate your money. EveryDollar provides a simple and effective way to manage your budget and achieve financial stability.